How to do an IHealth self-test for COVID. Before you begin your test, wash your hands. Open your box. Your box contains 2 bottles of liquid, 2 swabs, and 2 test strips. Remove the swab from the package, being careful not to touch the tip of the swab. Gently insert the swab into your nostril. Slowly turn the swab in a circle inside your nostril, brushing against the edges at least 5 times for 15 seconds. Remove the swab and place it in your other nostril, turning it in a circle like before at least 5 times for 15 seconds. Holding onto the swab, take the tube, twist the orange cap to open the tube. Insert the swab into the tube, making sure the swab tip touches the bottom of the tube. Stir at least 15 times. Squeeze the sides of the tube to get as much liquid out of the swab, and then remove the swab. Screw back on the large orange cap to the bottle. Throw the swab in the trash. Open the test card and place it on a flat surface. Twist open the small white cap on the tube and add 3 drops of the liquid to the small hole on the test card. Wait for 15 minutes. If you wait for longer than 30 minutes, your result will not be accurate, so only wait for 15 minutes. A negative result will show 1 line like this. A positive result will show 2 lines. These are all examples of a positive test result. If your test comes back positive, please call 802-863-7240 or TTY 802-863-7200. You can also speak to your doctor, who can talk to you about what to do next.